What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer cocktail. And today's summer cocktail, guys, is your favourite mocktail made into a cocktail for summer. Yes, that's right, it's the famous Shirley Temple. But this time we are doing the adult version of the Shirley Temple. I was going to say, it's my most popular video. If you've not seen it, I will put a link in the description. So I will put a link, I was going to say, just there. Because if you've not seen it, my two variations of Shirley Temple. But this is the adult version of it, the Dirty Shirley. I was going to say, and I can't wait to show you this version of it, as it will be the summer hit for 2022, and it's going to be a popular one this year. The Dirty Shirley, I will show you guys how to make it. So what you want to do, guys, is get a tall glass. I'm using a highball and fill it with ice. So it's a free combination, this one. So you got your Sprite or soda, as you call it, if you're American, which you will be. So soda, your Grenadine and vodka. It's really simple to make. The first ingredient, guys, is 2 ounces or 60 ml of vodka. As you can see, guys, I'm using Grey Goose, as I really do like it. I like the smoothness of it. So next up is 1 ounce of 30 ml of Grenadine. So the last thing to do now is just top it up with soda. I'm using 7-Up. And the final thing to do now is garnish it with a maraschino cherry. And as simple as that, one Dirty Shirley. Doesn't it look fantastic? Your favourite childhood drink, now all made into an adult version of it, the Dirty Shirley. And there we go, guys, one Dirty Shirley. How does it taste? Tastes fantastic. It just has that sweetness. It just really is such a sweet cocktail. This, just like its ancestor, the Shirley Temple. That sweetness, that just has that sweetness. Just reminds you of being a child like that. Because if you've ever had a Shirley Temple, because I know it's a very popular one, as it is my most popular video, especially in the USA, because where it is popular from the actress. Because it really is a nice sugary, sweet drink. And this is no different, but with the adult version, it's going to say mixed in this time with vodka. If you don't have vodka, you can use tequila, rum, whatever. It's going to say you can let your imagination just run wild with it. It's going to say, but with the Shirley Temple or the Dirty Shirley, it's now the adult version of it. Just a really nice summer drink. It's nice and sweet, and it's an absolutely beautiful cocktail. It's simple but effective like that. It's going to say, and you can see why it's popular. Just like the Shirley Temple, nice. It's just an adult version really of the Shirley Temple, like I said. It's now the Dirty Shirley. It will be a massive hit over 2022. This is the summer cocktail for 2022, the Dirty Shirley. Just look how bright red it is. It's fantastic, isn't it? Beautiful. But don't forget to check out my old video, the Shirley Temple, as I did 2 variations. Let me know which is the best one, the alcoholic version or the original Shirley Temples, the modern or the classic variation of it. But I've been MixedSid. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as it really does help the channel grow. And I hope you all have an awesome day and have an awesome summer. But this has been the Dirty Shirley, and I will see you guys for my next summer themed cocktail. Cheers. One last thing to know is I'd give this a 9 out of 10.